Hello guys, Ilya here, and in this video I'm going to show you how can we reverse video in CapCut PC. Basically it's pretty easy, just follow these steps I do to not make any mistakes. In order to show this process I created this small project, so I have 3 videos here, and what if I need to reverse this one? For example, I need this guy to move back, not like forward. So all we need is just to use one simple trick, one simple option. We need to choose our video and our timeline, as you can see. And now we have some tools here on timeline from left side and from right side. But what is important for us is the left side toolbox. And as you can see, we have some options like crop, rotate, mirror, reverse, and so other. But in this case, we need to use only a reverse option, so we can just click, and as you can see, now it's reversing. It may take a little time, it depends on how long your part of the video is. So as you can see, sometimes it could be a really long process, but let it take its time, because the result will be incredibly good. So in a few seconds, like it was like 30% already, in a few seconds our video will be successfully reversed. But in a few seconds I will also show you of how can you like add some more options to like our video. So there is only one option. How can we make it a little better, I think. So let's wait for a little until it will like be 100% for our reversing clip. So now, as you can see, now this video is successfully reversed, but we can also mirror it, and now it looks like even more interesting. So this is a way of how can we reverse video in CapCut PC. Hope this video helped you out. Please leave a like, comment and subscribe. Goodbye.